with one paragraph containing around 40 to 50 words. Is that clear? And then body of explanation, 3 to 4 paragraphs with around 150 to 160 words, which means that each paragraph will have around the same 40 words. So 40 words multiplied by 4 paragraphs will make it to around 160 words. And then we have the last part, that is conclusion. In conclusion we write one paragraph containing around 40 to 50 words. So these all words will make it up to around 250 words at least. Now the question arises, how to write introduction? Because this is a very area where students fall. They have this weak area or loophole that do not introduce a topic properly. What they do, they start telling about either agreement or disagreement. They directly start their agreements or disagreements to the topic. They say that yes, I am of opinion that this should happen, and this is the case, this is scenario going on, I agree or I disagree. This is what they start doing. We should not do it, because we have to properly introduce the topic first. And what is the best way to introduce a topic? I'm going to tell you in simple 3 steps today. Over here, in these 3 steps, you people will learn to write introduction to the topic, any topic given to you, and you can write introduction to any topic of essay only by following these 3 steps. What is the first step? Read the topic thoroughly. The first step is read the topic thoroughly. This is the first step you need to do. Read the topic thoroughly. The second step, pick up one word which you think is the most important word. So whatever word you think is the most important word, you have to pick up that word, and then what you have to do is, the last but not the least step I'm going to tell you,